Hello. Well, in my last video I showed how I designed and 3D printed this corner protector from flex filament. It is very soft material, like a rubber. And here it is always under cover, so it works fine. But then I got an idea that I'm not limited to rules of injection molding, because before I started to work on university, I was engineer in a stock company where we design, produce, manufacture and use tools, big tools for injection molding. But with 3D printing, I'm not limited to those rules. So I would like to try to design a hole inside the wall of the corner guard. And because that cannot be done with the injection molding, but with the 3D printing, it's not a problem. But now I will design something more universal. You can download the STL file from my website. It's here, mytechfun.com. Okay, let's design it. So I started with a scratch, I extruded, and then I started with this scratch where I designed this hole inside. It's elliptical hole, only it will be printed upside down, so it is important that because of the overhang, these angles are under safety for overhang 45 degrees. I will show you that in a slicer. And the next step, I extruded the hole, I extruded the shape, also same thing in the other side, the hole and the shape, and then I rotated this shape here 90 degrees to create this corner. I rounded the edges, which I could. I cannot round this edge here because it will be printed upside down, and I have to start with the 45 degree again because of the overhang. And the next step, I rounded this edge here. I created the top of the corner protector. And also I rounded these two edges here. And this is how it looks like. You can see here this hole which goes through the object, also same in the other side. If it is closed, it cannot be printed with injection molding, but here with the 3D printing, I'm not limited to those limitations, technical requirements. Okay, let's make the STL file. Okay, so I have to rotate it. This is the position how it will be printed. Flex fill 0.5. Okay. Brim, very important. Slice. And this is the preview of the printing. So it will start with this brim and the bottom part. And then when I move, it can be seen that this hole will be created here. And this is the closing of this hole. This is why I needed that 45 degree angle for the overhang, and it will be finished like this. Okay, let's create the G-code and print it. And it will use 1 meter of filament, 27 minutes printing time. Let's do it. 3D printed product in flex filament and also with this hole inside. Flex filament is very soft material. Look at this, like a rubber. And with this hole it is even softer, so for these purposes it is very good, because when you place it to the corner, this hole inside gives it extra more flexibility here on this edge. And I have to get used that with the 3D printing I have more freedom. I'm not limited to the requirements of injection molding products, and I have to use those advantages of 3D printing. This STL file can be downloaded from my website, from mytechfun.com. I hope this was useful to you too. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.